There were some legal arguments that took place just a few moments ago regarding testimony about the next witness in the Diddy trial and also about juror number 6. I'm a lawyer, so let me provide you with some details about what took place. So the first legal argument was regarding the testimony of a special agent who searched Diddy's house in March of 2024. It is expected that the witness will testify about the guns that were recovered from the home's security room. Defense attorney Mark Agnefilo's argument centered around the fact that he believed the agent who initially found the gun should be testifying about it, as opposed to an agent who found the gun later on in the search process. He wanted the agent who initially recovered the guns to testify about exactly where they were found. Prosecutor Comey, however, said it may not be possible to find out exactly which agent could testify regarding that. The judge ultimately said that the agent can testify about the guns that were found in the security room, and the defense has the opportunity to cross-examine him. Now, the next issue was regarding juror number 6, and there have been a lot of rumors recently that juror number 6 was dismissed from the jury. We all know that that was not true. However, there is an issue with this particular juror. If you remember, prosecutors also wanted this juror to be dismissed, owing to, as they said, a lack of candor with the court. The judge said there was a question regarding the juror's residence, confirmed they've established the juror's qualifications in the jury pool and lived in the jurisdiction at least in the time of jury selection. The juror moved out of the Bronx in the last 2 weeks. The defense attorney says that there no longer seems to be an issue, and the particular juror is a diligent member of the panel. Do you also remember the defense attorneys stating that the prosecution's attempt to dismiss this juror was a thinly veiled attempt to dismiss a black juror? Well, the judge responded to this also. The judge said that there's been no evidence of any bias from the prosecution to support that claim from the defense. The prosecutor, however, said that this particular juror has said multiple things that are not true and wanted to get to the bottom of all of these things. The defense attorney said further questioning would amount to harassing the juror, but the judge did say that he'd like to hear more about this situation, saying that there could be a perfectly innocent explanation for all of this. The judge said that if he chose to question the juror further, then he'll do it at the end of the day after the panel has been dismissed. As always, let me know what you think in the comments below. I'll be back when the first witness of the day begins to testify.